So did your printer stop working after updated Windows 11? Well, you're not alone. This is actually a really common problem. Now, there can be few different reasons for this, like a driver issue, a settings change, or just printer not getting along with the new update. But hey, don't worry. We are going to walk you through the best and the easiest fixes to get your printer back up and running in no time. And if at any point you feel stuck, just call the numbers on the screen and an expert will take care of it for you. Alright, so with that said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the fixes. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Update your printer driver. Firstly, go to Search section on your computer and open Device Manager. Now, on the Device Manager window, go to Print Queues and click on it. From the Open list, right-click on the Epson printer name and choose Update Driver. When the next page opens, you need to choose Search Automatically for Drivers option. After that, it will search for latest driver, and if it finds one, it will show up right there on the screen. Now, if your driver is already up to date, you'll simply see the screen. Method 2. Run the System Troubleshooter. First up, click the Start button at the bottom to open Settings. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and look over to the left side of the screen and click on System. Alright, now scroll a bit and select Troubleshoot. On the next screen, go ahead and click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, look for the printer option and just hit Run right next to it. Once that's done, Windows will start checking for printer problems. Just follow whatever steps pop up on the screen and let it finish fixing the issue. Method 3. Uninstall the printer and connect it once again. First things first, go to the taskbar and right-click on the Start menu. From the list, just click on Device Manager. Once it opens, look for Print Queues and click on it to expand the list. Now, find the printer that's giving you trouble, right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Go ahead and click on Uninstall again. Alright, now restart your computer and give it a minute to reboot. Once your computer is back on, open Device Manager again the same way. Head back to Print Queues, right-click on it and select Scan for hardware changes. This lets the window automatically detect the printer and fix the driver issue. Now, let's add the printer back. Also tell us in the comments which printer you're using. Open Settings on your computer. From the left side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then choose Printers and Scanners. Go ahead and click on Add Devices. When your printer name pops up, just select it and that's it. Your printer should be good to go. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.